Hi guys, I am Rajveer Singh Pawar. So today I am playing Minecraft. Guys, see, I have appetite suit and appetite and a trident also. So guys, I am fighting with today Ender Dragon. You know it's very big dragon. Okay, he kidnapped us in this box. So first we have to get out from this box. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. Okay, Ender Dragon. Okay, where is this Ender Dragon? Where? Okay, my first objective to yes. Trident, go. Okay, go. Uh, it's not coming. Okay, my. It's not. Why? 1 minute. Okay. Yay! One energy source is destroyed now. We have to do one more. Oh, my trident. Yes. Yay! Two more and three it's left. Okay. Three. And now it's a cage. Okay, we have to destroy it with my nether pickaxe. Okay. Oh, Ender Dragon. Oh my god. Okay. This? Oh, yes. Oh, I no. Okay. Mm, oh no. Now, yes. You are a loser, Ender Dragon. You cannot fight with me. I am the superhero of the game. Yes. Yes. Now, okay. So, three more left. And now three more. Okay. Was the resources of the Ender Dragon that we have to destroy because from this he gets the energy back like this and this. So last one. Now is the chance. No, one more. Okay. One more. I am thinking it's a cage. No, it's not cage. See, there are many Endermans and they are teleporting them. Wow. So first destroying is okay. First destroying with oh my god, Ender Dragon, Ender Dragon, my netherite sword. Oh my god, how many hit I'm giving? His 70% health is gone now. 1 minute. Ye Ender Dragon, you are loser. Oh my god. He did not have any resources, so he's coming back and back. So, oh, he's come now, now. Now, fight. Oh, yeah. He's coming back. What? What? What is? Yes. He's not waiting here. My trident is now. My trident. He is not visible. Okay, he is there. Oh, he's very fast. You. My trident is more powerful than my appetite sword. Oh, yes. It is more hard to make a shot with this trident because trident okay, but it's the very powerful weapon in the Minecraft. I am not enchanting. My problem is that I am not enchanting. This why it is not more powerful. Okay. The Ender Dragon's speed is very fast. We can not see him very properly. What? What? We cannot see him. He is very fast, but when he is coming and sitting here, I am destroying because he have not did not have many resources. You. Yes. If I destroy this Ender Dragon, the All Endermans in my world have destroyed. So first my way to destroy this Ender Dragon, and my monsters list is also completed, and I have now get the achievement that I have destroyed every monster. So okay, yay! Yay! The disturbment of dragon destroy! Yay! I am the winner! Okay, my first to go in my. Oh! I got the achievement! See, guys! Minecraft. I see the player you mean. Rajveer Singh won. Yes, take care. It has reached a higher level now. It can read our thoughts. That doesn't matter. It thinks we are a part of the game. I like this player. It played well. It did not give up. It's reading our thoughts and thought that is words make a wonderful interface. Okay. I'm skipping. No, I'm not skipping it. Okay. I am the best player. Wow. How it is a good thing. Okay, guys, now I'm skipping it because it is a very big. Okay. Oh, yay! I got a higher level achievement. Yay! Okay, bye, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.